Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Micah. We're here today to show you our 62?
65.
I gotta look again, now I forgot. Hold on. 65 Mercury Comet in triple red. This Mercury Comet just had about $40,000 in receipts, restoration very recently, including freshen up the 289 Tripower engine it's got in it. They added a Tripower 6-pack. It's got a 289, it's a 4-speed manual. The paint on the car is absolutely gorgeous, along with all the chrome and the aluminum, as you can see down the sides. It's all intact and it's in very, very, very nice shape. Bumpers, glass, paint, all of them are in excellent shape. As you can see as you walk around, it has a real nice taste of some American racing. Red leather, red striped tire on it. And look at the gorgeous chrome and red interior. Absolutely breathtaking. This car does look as good as it looks. It's not one of them cars that looks good but doesn't look good. It really does look good. We're gonna take it for a ride. All right, here we are, test driving our 65 Mercury Comet, powered by a 289 Tripower engine, 4-speed manual transmission. She sure does look pretty. Let's see how she runs. The shifting pattern feels real good on it. Aftermarket gauges, they all seem to be working. The factory amp and speedometer is working also, and fuel gauge, so we're covered there. AM radio works. Horn blows. Drives nice, shifts real well, brakes well, steers well. We'll take it back and put it on level and see the undercarriage. Come and check it out.